Welcome to this special edition of Chopped. In this episode, we will take the world of food and the world of math and maximize each contestant's capabilities. 3 contestants will compete in 3 rounds of calc cooking. In each round, one lucky participant will receive an FRQ question in their basket instead of ingredients. They will then solve the problem in their respected amount of time. Their answer will be provided to the judges for comparison with the other contestants' dishes. Let's meet our contestants.
Hey yo, it's your girl Harley Harmonic of Vroom Vroom. I know I'm doing this show.
Hi, my name is Angela. I'm from small town Albany, New York. I'm doing this because I really like math and also for my cat, Catulus.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kaylee XYZ, but the XYZ is silent. I'm a professor of math and I minored in culinary arts. Well, let's go!
It's Chopped, but calculus. Yeah. In round 1, contestants will have to create an appetizer. Remember, one contestant will receive an FRQ question instead of ingredients. Let's do some calc. Contestants, you may open your baskets. Hi there, Dr. Keeley, XYZ. But the XYZ is silent. Here are your materials. Once you solve the FRQ, I'll go ahead and give you your ingredients. Good luck.
For part A, we have to figure out how many fish enter the lake over the 5-hour period from midnight, t equals 0, to 5 a.m., t equals 5, and give our answer to the nearest whole number. So we want to do the integral from 0 to 5 of, because 0 to 5 is our time interval, of e of t, because this is our rate function as the fish enter the lake, and plug this into our TI, and we'll get 153 fish.
10!
Hi, Dr. Keeley. You got the answer. All right, so here's 153 goldfish for you. 10 minutes left, eh?
Oh my God.
The contestant leaving us, Dr. Keeley XYZ, you've been integrated. In round 2, contestants will now create an entree. Let's see how they handle this one. Alright there, vroom vroom, you know how this goes. Here's your materials. Contestant down, hey! Due to a slight medical emergency, I will be finishing the problem for Harley. Alright, for part B of the FRQ, we have to find the average number of fish that leave the lake per hour over the 5-hour period from midnight, t equals 0, to 5 a.m., t equals 5. So you're going to use the average value formula, which is 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of whatever function, which we're doing L of t. So we're going to plug in our values, and since our interval is from 0 to 5, we're going to go ahead and do 5 minus 0 from 0 to 5 of L of t. And we're going to plug that into our TI Inspire. Get 6.059. 10 seconds left! The contestant being eliminated. Angela,
Wait,
you have...
I just think it's not fair, you know, and her arm, and I think we should do a redo, and I saw you were kind of helping her, but it doesn't matter, and can we just...
Okay, yeah, whatever. Sure. As a request of our contestants, we will now do the 3rd round as a redo. They must create a dessert using the ingredients.
Alright.
Here you go.
Thanks. So for part C, we need to find at what time t, when t is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 8, is the greatest number of fish in the lake. So a of t is the amount of fish in the lake, which would be the integral from 0 to t of e of t minus L of t. To find the critical values, we have to find a prime of t, which would be e of t minus L of t. And on our calculator, we can set that equal to 0. And then when we solve, we'll find that t equals 6.203564. So next we will test the endpoints and the critical value that we just found. So we have 0, 6.2, 3, 5, 6, 4, and 8. And we will plug those back into A of t. So when we plug in 0, we'll get 0. When we plug in 6.2, we get 135.01492. And when we plug in 8, we'll get 80.91997. The greatest number of fish is 135 at time t equals 6.2, hours after midnight, because this is where A of t is a max.
Right, Angela, looks like you got the answers. So here are your ingredients: unsalted chicken stock and a little thin honey. Good luck. Seconds left. Contestant for sure leaving this time is Angela. You've been integrated. But wait, there's more. In this special calculus edition of CHOP, we have introduced a challenge round in which all the contestants come back and use a challenge problem to earn their ingredients. From there, they can create their final dishes to fight for the title of Calculus Champion. Ready, set, go!
Part D of the FRQ is asking if the rate of change in the number of fish in the lake is increasing or decreasing at 5 a.m. So the rate of fish in the lake is defined by E of t minus L of t, and we're trying to find the rate of this. So that's E prime of t minus L prime of t. And we're gonna plug in 5. To see if it's greater than or less than 0. So plugging into the calculator, you get that it equals negative 10.722780, which is less than 0. Therefore, the rate of change in the number of fish is decreasing.
Congratulations, contestants. You guys have all finished the problems. You can go ahead and grab your ingredients and start baking. And the winner of the challenge 2019 Calculus Edition is Angela!
Well, it's been a day, and I didn't win, but I got a broken arm and cake out of it, so...
I'm just so grateful I could be on the show. I'm gonna donate all my winnings to Cats for Calculus, keeping the calculator, but thanks.
This was rigged! I'm a doctor!